Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox at Tori House. Chapter 2 for Tori for inside this side. So for this afternoon, country people them. Inside Tori for this afternoon. We go take una go for side where they call am say waiting. Razel Street for side for Boyam. Now for that side where they so fire, it be cash overnight this early morning time. Around midnight we fire cash for that side. One woman in house, it burn all. Waiting really happen. We never fit for talk. We go talk that palava this afternoon. Now to we go take una talk on top this palava bridge where it dey for inside Douala here. Sabi say we don't get new bridge after water will be the turn up on top bridge. Just now, side for the bridge they were light. It already lost. We go talk that palava to this afternoon. Now so to we go take una go for side where they call am say Moyoka. We go look inside this palava for 4 moon pikin where he die. Sabi so will be reach for inside Moyoka for Makangam. When na for the way they so this pikin. It is stay or the mommy picking the dish done. We go take una go other side. We let people then say they talk and other to read them. We will go bring them for now for this afternoon. Big part of the tell we say na stronghead mosquito it dey make farmer man for cut e ear with the collars. I say na stronghead mosquito it dey make farmer man for cut e ear with collars. Now some Richard Ndi na SSF is send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad say we don't meet up again for this side for Equinox Story House. Last one for inside the week, so they finish Make we start now with the palava for fire this afternoon. Now for that side for Razel Street. 12 midnight, now the fire cash for place where they call am say Razel Street for side for Boyam. Population say we be already sleep, we be already start sleep for inside Boyam. They only wake up them now with the plenty fire where it be the catch for some mommy he own Calabo house. Ask ambassador say wait till we pass for inside that fire. Me, I no go fit talk as where the fire happen. The only two I fit talk on top the fire and say even population for Boyam. One day where they be the shidon for Razel Street where they be already start sleep. Now only palava fire and as where people they be halam. Now way they so all them they come out outside. For can see as we fire it burn some one person in a house. Sabi say the house we burn and so na calabot. No be na block house as so na the see and waiting the spark. Population says you only use night eye for see as well the fire the cash. Sabi say Boyam, one of the things where they declare and so now na palava for waiting. Palava for say they no get army rescue unit where if you kunkuma lost that fire. So even Ketu then says they be day uniform people they be day for see the fire. They only can stand see the fire. They no be get no nothing for do apart from say they so they stand up for see as well the fire. It burn house, it burn all the house at the time no day. No man he never feel for talk, wait till we really pass. But Nati way surprise all people them for side for Razel Street. It be then around 12 midnight where this fire a cash for that house. We never feel for talk to if any person he die for seek the fire. But one two of you confirm na say plenty cargo them where be there inside the house it burn as we who na say see the fire where the cash and they no be fit for lost the fire for sake I say fire it be already taken at different level. Even army rescue it no dey for inside Boyam for talk say me they try for see as we they go lost the fire. We left this palava for fire for other side for Razel Street for Boya. We want to say big thank you for you, Oga Gerard, where you send me that image for inside Boya. We go talk on top palava for road just now. Now we bridge this for Douala, fine bridge for daytime, lights in the show, but people there they sabi fine. When night it don't start for on top this we find bridge. Sabi say na so will be start for talk on top palava for Watam before minister he sign book. Now Watam it show like say no the turn up. When place it don't dark. When you come out for wrong point side, you dey go for Bonaberry. Light it show for all side. As you come out for wrong point, you go for the underside for bridge. For any side, light it show for all sides. For tell we say they so light it dey bed. section for on top this road as well you see the middle light where someone they go for Brown Point, other one they come for this side, so for Bonaberry as well they talk for Bonaberry, so one they go for Brown Point. Some side the way light it don't lose all. Now it means say when you come up for Bonaberry side, that Carrefour, that roundabout where you get a council for before, then you get even army rescue for their own roundabout. Light e no dey again for on top that bridge. Sabi say na bridge and the light them they just come up for Putana now e never overstay. Na this roundabout this way dey for before DOE office for Douala form. All this side the light e don lost. Now when you dey go for middle, na that time wey you go try for say light e dey for on top bridge. Sabi say time wey dem be just finish fix the bridge e never overstay. All side be the light, but now so if you no get light for your motor, sabi say you too you dey lost sense for sika say light e no dey again on top that bridge. Whether na minister too you go give another order o say make they put that light dem back o, I no sabi, but sabi say na tiwa see am wey e dey go some kind of way, na im why dey talk am. Na middle road that way dey see am wey dey use for light for evening time so tey you go enjoy say chai the our bridge e dey fine. Just now the bridge e don already start show say light e no dey, and for people there dey waka una go sabi say for night for this section so wey dey for opposite DOE office or Douala for light e no dey again. But as wey you waka o you go for middle bridge, na that time wey you dey start see light. Who side the light dem for here they don go? Na question that way me sef I never fit for answer. Na thing wey my eye see am na wey my mouth e dey talk am. We left palava for that bridge, palava for light. We go show now so 21st century bridge to a day for inside Cameroon. I be don't talk on top the bridge yesterday. Yes, we will surely turn back for that one. We forgot for put that one, but we'll surely turn back on top that one for bridge for that side from Gambetika where it is so it get big palava. But just now make we take una go for that side for Ndian division for talk na Mundemba Sesep. We the rewind we hand them back for Sika say sabi say people them for Ndian they no get connection for say we as when Gando for 20 maybe happen for that side. For the first time as we palava this also continue for happen for inside northwest and southwest. Population become up for Indian and before SDOSSF and other big people them for Indian where they become out 20 May it be tonton e waka fine for inside that place. Oga SDO he glad plenty for the population where they come out. One of the tori wey give for population for inside Mundemba na say make dem say they try for see as where they go back their combi them for bush make they come out. CPDM they be one of the party where they be march before population for that side, so for inside Mundemba as well they glad big day for national day for that side, so for Mundemba. Apart from CPDM we be get people then say where they work for Pamo where they beg say make peace it last turn back for inside country. Sabi say all the work people them for Pamo them say we know they them for Sika say they fear for go for their farm. They know sabi whether people they will come move them for inside bush. Okada people then say they be dey their own sites where they come out. Plenty for inside Ngando and other people there now only them three way they come out for make mash for that side, so for inside Mundemba. Sabi say other group them too they be tonton march as well be dey na palava for national day for Mundemba. Even woman group them too they be come out for make their mash. One of the Trump message na say make the talk for one them where they dey for inside bush make they come out. Uniform people then say they no be miss. Sabi say be dey na their big day. All the different group them they be come out for show say they so it dey na their big day for inside Mundemba when a headquarter for Ndian division. Sabi say even all military people them they say man wey wear uniform in need ever tire then too they be come out. And the one they two the guard roads Musanga to e be dey na part of the Ngando where it pass, so for that side, so for inside Mundemba we na headquarter for Ndian division. So we don't talk, we turn back for the one na for Sika say people them for that side them say they no get internet where they feel quick same way as wetin happen. So as we the one you don't meet up in a Friday we talk say better make them say they see am as we Ngando for 20 May it happen. Now for that side for Mundemba Ndian division all thing e end now with the item 11. We go come out for that side just now. We come out for side for 20th May, for side for Mundemba just now. Make we enter for talk different things. Sabi say school picking them too for inside Douala, just as other school picking them for any side. One day they did for final year for inside government school for Aquam. They prepare for back. Sabi say the back, it dey like a GCE A level. We picking them to they prepare for right and two for the Anglophone zone and even for Francophone zone where they get bilingual school. Sabi say just now, all the school picking them, they did do na last minute prepare for this palava for baccalaureate where they get for right time. Sabi say they picking them too as well teacher they talk for them. Then too they don't get their own style where they go use them for put their head on top book. One day where they say they go rest more before they start for learn. The one is a thing the way they happen now. Now way goes surely come. He already start for make his own speco for inside chapter for book. All them two as well they prepare for right. Check say they pass. Them too they don't easily start check two way they go do when they go finish right. Sabi say the back exam where it go start now for Monday for the whole Cameroon, and the school picking them they get now only Friday, Saturday and Sunday for prepare fine before they enter for right exam for Monday. Now, so we go take una go for inside Bamenda, chapter for Northwest Southwest. We go enter back for inside Bamenda for Nitop, Government Bilingual High School Nitop Bamenda. Now, Oga Olivier that teacher for history and geography for that school where they so they be cut head. I be talk for Nase will be turned for inside that school as soon as see padlock. It be there for gate. It means say that school it never they open. On top say padlock it there for gate. Big chain e dey round the gate where e dey show say true class e never dey happen. Na government bilingual high school other pikin dem dey prepare for right exam. Who side the pikin dem dey na the question that wey we say never fit for answer. But when you look the class one fine grass e don dey grow wey e dey show say no nothing no dey pass today. Tori wey enter with EM e dey tell we say even as wey dey see principal office e dey lock they say anytime wey popcorn dey hala school picking themselves they hear back. So since when the palava for Northwest Southwest it starts, this school for Nitop it don't close, and on top palava say they so that teacher whether now who they cut the teacher hate they never so see his skin. Apart from that school, even primary school one at the same so for now before primary school says it dey na for inside dark. It means say grass where it grow for them it dey show say the picking them for inside the primary school too they never enter for them for plenty time. So 9 way don't make them people then say they talk if true this picking them whether na primary or na one day where they dey for college they dey learn book how they demand learn the book how they go manage write exam na question that when people then sote now they never fit for answer. But just for sabi say government bilingual high school Nitop since this teacher Oga Olivier they cut his head where they never so see his skin sote now as well the talk no nothing no dey happen for them and place e quiet all man e dey even fear for go the school. So now the teacher that Oga Wuntia Olivier geography and history teacher for government bilingual high school Nitop where they be cut his head as well the talk no man e never sabi sote now as well the team pass and they so find the body head for that man as well here e dey na for co-house for Bamenda. We go turn back for talk this palava comot in we Oga Ngomna Togman e be comot sabi say Emmanuel Rene Sadi we na Ngomna Togman on top this palava pikin wey they be kill am for that side so for Moyoka for number 20 day inside this moon. Rene Emmanuel Sadi for the book wey sign am he talk say na ex Amba people them wey they come for can keep papa for that pikin wey e dey so they kill that pikin according to Emmanuel Rene Sadi. No mean na we own uniform people them they do that kind of thing for that 4 moon old pikin wey he die, and according to Emmanuel Rene Sadi they dey make investigate and he don also continue for talk say no na we own people them, and Emmanuel Rene Sadi try for tell we say inside that pikin wey they kill am say e dey so na with a knife no na even with a gun them according to wetin wey Papa Emmanuel Rene Sadi talk. We own uniform people them they dey do their work better say no nothing, it never happen. Sabi say comot wey Emmanuel Renessa dey comot for talk on top this palaver for pikin. As story people them too, we be go down for that side. So for Muyoka, make we enter for inside this other chapter. We enter for Muyoka one time. For talk say we be turn back for inside the Muyoka. Make we turn back, make we go for inside the Muyoka just now. After minister talk for Muyoka, na papa pikin that and mommy that, where they the vow on top, they the swear on top their pikini grave. Say it dey so go up and down. Person way do the what way do and for them. Now that person go hear bad. Now the house that will be go meet up them and the papa pikin say na he carry we. He go show we side way they so they be bury that pikin. Now for that side so for inside Makanga quarter for Muyoka. Now so to the show we mommy pikin too can take we. He show we the pikin in close them. We sote now it is also feel bad. After we 4 moon pikin, it dies on Canada. Mommy pikin, he try for tell we say he be wrong. He be sabi say when he left the pikin for back. As well small and innocent, they no go do no nothing. He be there for inside kitchen before they hear moto. Papa pikin say to say never ever be amberman, and to say he been a worker for CDC according to way he talk. So just now all them say for that side for Muyoka, they don't deny all thing way he dey so ngomna talk man he be talk am palavada for moon pikin way they kill am for inside Muyoka. Make we hear just now, wait way mommy for that pikin, he talk for we.
I don't come out, I don't wash pikin for afternoon. I sleep for part of very well. This door be there brown, then the window be there open. So as I say, well, I go backside, I go cook. Only as I cook, I want those come out and come for the house. At the end, I say, they say, I'm okay, they come. Say, I'm they come. So when they are confused, I won't say no cup water for my house. When they so they don't already reach right for door yet. Only if I calculate, if I want say I want can take that picking, they feel shoot me and the picking. So now when I run, I go, I leave the picking. I not say not small picking. They not feel do it nothing. Now where I go. Only as they gone, we don't they think if you don't cool. Only for me to come back, say I can't collect the picking. Now where I can't see my body. If you can sleep my soul. Cover my belly for that. I saw the ever see cover my belly for that. They shoot you for your back head, chakara, all this place. I don't come.
Now mommy that for that pikin way the talk will be a girl lucky too. As we talk, we meet up the papa for pikin for house. He too, he tell we own chapter. Sabi say Debbie talk, say be na ex amber man. Wait till you get for talk for we.
At the graveyard for the picking this. Picking this. Now the picking chaka this. So anything government talk, what I government talk, I say wait me I don't know me. Me I know say na ministry, government ministry kill my picking. Yes. Now I'm put the picking for down. So anything they try to talk, I can't be CDC worker. They never have pay me for how many for how long I don't be, they never pay me. But the stress I don't pay pass through. Only for say my carry pinga show by grandpa. I make 4 days. My father the killer. The kind truck, ministry truck will enter for them very Muyoka so this quarter. When I want someone feel resist them, all man run for safety. So I don't know what our government, whether they say maybe cool down the situation for the country, maybe bring peace or the peace or kind of how. I don't know why they still can't find a way again to kill you.
Now then I
Since they shoot the picking safe, I my life only me safe. I don't run go in the hyper bush.
And just for Sabise, we'll be meet up even the big mommy for that picking. After we will be meet up papa. Make we hear version for big mommy.
Picking my grand picking, I go bring Ghana for Moko. With this papa, I can't even say me the kind. Many people here that they will bring Ghana with a good man, picking cook up in the shop. I can't go up in the Moko. Mama, they keep a grand picking. I mean, I can keep a picking for his bro, I keep a grand picking. They tell me yesterday from my country don't broke and me don't keep a girl picking for it. I don't want to get a girl. I don't go. I don't see me going to that. They cannot talk about pikin. Because I don't talk about pikin. Pomoko. I bring pikin for here. I didn't yet to keep pikin for 4 months for his heart. Papa God. I do not want to find me, but I keep my pikin. So I got that 3 months for take care of pikin for Moko. Come here, we are buying some for pikin.
Yes, na just so the thing pass for inside Muyoka. Last person, na person to meet up for inside quarter for Makanga. He to get his own talk on top this palaver.
So it be a very shocking issue. Because she say if that mommy for that became in inside house, people for die. People for die. So it was a very shocking issue. It's a military man who go see Pekin for that 4 months Pekin. It take gun shoot them. I think say if that person do that act, he never born. Because if he born, then the government would serve him. They will reward all of them. Then the government, the minister of communication, inform they say they dey giving a message. We never know where Muyoka even dey. If it be no place Muyoka dey there for better. If you know the situation will pass through for here. Even some sisters they say chop run. It just came yesterday. Before that day. Chop will be there for the military people they go for that pot, throw all that chop down, move all meat for that pot, chop and all. You can imagine say if we there for you will find means to chop, means not day. Then people they struggle to make small business to live their life. Military man will come again, can't chop that chop. Go anything the government they talk concerning the Pekin, all is lie. As we there for you, so will not even still be safe. Will not be safe.
Yes, na palava for Fomuno Pikin, we die for inside the Muyoka. Just for Sabi say even as we they blame with military, with uniform people them. They don't also continue for do better thing for outside. For that side, so for Manfe, country people them, we own uniform people them. They don't meet up with some of the people there they hear about. For that side, so for inside the Manfe, also go the talk with this photo them where they pass. Sabi say now walk with military people they do and for that side, so for Manfe, they meet up some of the people them for inside Manfe for give them medicine. One day where they sick and even give them small chop. Sabi say the one it come where plenty people then say that they try for blame them for plenty thing them where it don't pass. But on top that one, now some of the good thing and that meet up some of the people them for inside Manfe for give them medicine, even check their blood pressure and other thing them, then even give them alarm as we understand. So no na palava for say they do bad. Now them to that where they for on toffee. Now that side so for Manfe where these uniform people then say they for give help for people them for that side. Just now, con the people them as we own uniform put they do bad. Sabi say Human Rights Watch. It is also hammer on top we own uniform people them. According to the last report to Human Rights Watch, it come out they try for talk for we say it is so they blame uniform people them for this house where they be born wanna sabi for that side so for inside Mancon. According to way Human Rights Watch, it talk they say they be meet up with 15 people them for inside Mancon where they ask them to wait to happen inside the 10 they talk say they so. Now uniform people they do the work according to waiting to where they report it talk say the same uniform people them they move some man come out for inside house knock and sote last they finish it with a gun according to Human Rights Watch where it be the pass a report. So Human Rights Watch it try for talk say Minister for Defense it already open investigate on top the palava but they beg say make they investigate it been a 2-1 way after the one the way they do the thing them when they don't see them they give them public casting go no be na palava for hiding. According to Human Rights Watch they don't continue for beg make boy the way they hold shake a shoot where they no get authorized for whole make they throw am and even military too to them make them to they try for stop for make violation on top human right according to report to Human Rights Watch. It talk Sabi say that we talk from Kunkuma too or they talk from Gomnam as we they so they deny them say may they no enter Cameroon for make investigate on top to where they happen. So now the latest report for Human Rights Watch where they just come out and where it never overstay. Last story for this afternoon, we take on talk this palava for dice. Sabi say Jean-Pierre Sam, GPS, as we they call him for short. Now on Thursday, it be there yesterday for military hospital mortuary for co-house. Now for the way they so they come out die body for Jean-Pierre Sarr, where it dey so na person wey don't look out plenty Mutumbu people them. He don't wake up, he don't look at all them. Yesterday, after they be killing for LED Moon, Sabi Sep say it na yesterday for military courthouse where they come out die body. Plenty people they be there for can't talk bye bye. Big name them for Mutumbu people them. One of the way come out right for Ivory Coast, na head boy for Magic System. One of the Seaway say come out far away for can't talk bye bye for GPS and other people then to them. Sabi say even Governor Samuel Deneva Dibois, he be there for talk Ashiam, and Sabi say as well they come out die body for Jean-Pierre Sarr for co-house for military hospital. He be sleep for a house yesterday for Bonaberry side. This early morning time they get for carry Wakam, go for that side so for Bangulap, now for West region, now for the way they so they go last go bury according to what will happen. Now 6 feet he go enter tomorrow. So GPS is start Iwakam yesterday and it go finish for Bangulap side for inside West region tomorrow. Now so we see Tori for this afternoon country people them. We get newspaper them for we before. Guardian Post where it dey for outside this afternoon. It tell we say waiting. Inside the Guardian Post, they tell we this of Palava for Norwest and Southwest. Now so 206 villages just now they do already born them according to report wey come out. Sabi say Human Rights Watch they don't talk and even Center for Human Rights and Democracy for Africa we had office day for Boya they don't talk this palava. Inside the same chapter for Norwest Southwest they tell we as we Human Rights Watch again it don't turn back for talk for sake this palava way they so it is also happen and in the back make palava for investigate it's also continue for pass. Now so to teacher their own trade union they vex for sake say they so they is also attack teacher them for Norwest and Southwest as well this palava it is also continue for happen. Now so to for the editorial they talk say Prime Minister after a peace worker for Norway and Southwest they say time it don't the worker plenty from Kunkuma make it to it take action on top the different in them where Prime Minister it don't bring them for before ye other to read them you fit for read for the Guardian Post where it dey for outside. Just now make we enter to for inside this other one we negotiate now the Post weekend where it dey outside country people them inside the Post weekend they tell we Atanganji Gratango Sesep he don't take knife he go back he took him for Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute back. Now for Sika waiting they try for talk as way he dey so Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute Prime Minister he be the make peace worker for co people the mind. For the other side Gratango he talk till we vex plenty people them. Now for Sika why that way they talk Gratango he turn back for make all till way Prime Minister do he go for inside dirty basket. Inside the same chapter you go read Tori for Palava that full moon o pikin where die where plenty people they talk on top. You go read 2 chapter where chief them the trumpet for Oga Governor Bernard Okalia Bilaim for Sika say waiting. They no come for 20 men Gando where he pass for inside Boya. All this story them plus other one you feel read them for the Post weekend that just now we get this chapter for person way he don't lost where he did for we before person way don't lost where he did for before calling people them we get this photo for Pekin this Pekin in name na me wu Ngombe Kadija. He get now only 3 years according to Toriwe enter for EM. They say this Pekin he come up for their house yesterday when a Thursday for around 5 o'clock for evening time and they say he follow na combi them. No man no sabi sawe. They say they go find water according to where to had the sound from her before and since when they come out the Pekin he never turn back for place where they call him IPD and they talk so the Pekin he come up for house. They say the Pekin he be wear some kolang and some t-shirts and they say he be wear sandals for his foot. This Pekin he talk fine for Emmanuel Macron in country talk. So Madam Ngombe he the back any man way he don't see this he Pekin or he don't he the kipi make he call that thing number them for before tele just now 696 not 90 243 696 152 645 or if you meet up if you bring it for Equinox Tory House. Monsieur et Madame Gombe annoncent la disparition de leur fille Mewo Ngombe Kadija, âgé de 3 ans. L'enfant serait sorti de la maison hier jeudi 24 mai 2019 aux environs de 17h pour suivre ses amis qui sont allés chercher de l'eau. Et depuis hier, elle n'est pas retenue au domicile familial 6 à IPD. Lors de sa disparition, l'enfant était vêtu d'une collant rose et t-shirt rose avec des sandales aux pieds. La petite s'exprime en français. Monsieur et Madame Gombe prie toute personne qui la reconnaît ou les bergers de bien vouloir les contacter sur le numéro que vous voyez à l'écran maintenant, 696 090 283 696 152 645 ou encore se rapprocher de la radio Equinox 6 à Bonakwanga. This other one, na case we just enter we hand, na palava for Pikin, na 4 months old Pikin, as one of the see so, they say mommy be one waka, go for that side, so for Bamenda. He be there for my 4 pack for Limbe yesterday for evening time. He be one go Bamenda. Some other woman, he come for candy talk with the Pikin. He be the play with the Pikin. Mommy Pikin come out say make he go find credit for outside. He left the Pikin for that woman. Only for it for one come back for inside motor for mile 4 pack for Limbe. Pikin, he don't disappear with the mommy or with the Pikin or with the or that woman. He don't disappear with this Pikin. This Pikin again na only 4 months. As we I don't talk, the Pikin over old, so na 4 months Pikin. So any man way by mistake he don't see this Pikin, sabi say the thief am na 4 months old Pikin. If you call that thing number them where the day for before tele 675 915 833 677 not 27 892 or 676 not 99 782. That Pikin the Tiffy for inside motorway mommy. If you want go work with it for Bamenda yesterday night as Sotori enter for the EM and the person who the Pikin, it be deploy the Pikin. Mommy be go find credit. He won't come back. The woman don't disappear with the Pikin. Now so we see country this afternoon. Country people them. Anyhow, 1 p.m. for Saturday, we get PG News debate. 12:30 for 1:30. We go turn back for talk some of the things that we pass inside the week. I want to say big thank you for Watat. Thank you too for Francis Boyom, Malis, Tui Gehan for Tori for this afternoon, plus Nadine. All we will join for talk say make we meet up for 12:30 for PG News debate for Saturday. On a whole tight.